leaving Flinders Range today. We wanted to leave early, but then somehow just got delayed with the water and stuff. So it's 9 o'clock right now, and yes, we are leaving this Blindman Town National Park, and our aim is to get to Marree, where we will be spending the night. Yes, finally it's happened. Dana track, here we come. Are you excited, baby?
Bit nervous.
A bit nervous. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of gravel and dirt road, and we really wondering how our caravan going to handle the corrugation. The last time we went to Mimindi Lake and Mango National Park, it did a little bit of damage, so we'll see about this time. It will be a long drive today.
No.
Excited, girls?
Yes!
We going to a new place?
Yes!
Aiden doesn't look excited.
Yeah!
She doesn't want to go anywhere except in her bed.
Yeah!
It's nice and warm.
It's warm in here.
Yep.
No, as warm as my bed.
If the sun is making us warm, nice and warm in the sun.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, what music?
Before we left Flinders Range National Park, I said to Justin that I want to see emu at least one time before we got out of Flinders Range, and Justin said we will see plenty of them in the outback, I think because they are desert animal. Anyway, we just saw a group of emu, like there's so many of them, maybe more than 10. I don't know what the word for a group of emu, but I will Google it. And then yes, Justin quickly pulled over for me to Justin just quickly pulled over for me to video it. And yeah, I think as soon as they heard my footstep on the grass, they start running. But I did get some video of them and some pictures from the distance. I have to do like super zoom. We just pulled pulled over at Blinman Town. Justin said he's hungry. It's about 10:30 a.m. right now, so we stop at this town and get some food. There's a nice minor cafe right now, and the cafe looks very full. I did not enjoy the pie. It wasn't that great. They recommended at the end of the pie there's a little bit of apple pie. That pie was like special. Justin doesn't mind the pie, but yeah, it wasn't that great to me. Anyway, they had more veggie, carrot, potato and pumpkin than meat. I barely taste any meat, and I don't like eating veggie pie. Anyway, we're back on the road and continue on. I did red clip to check out the red rock here. There's nobody here except us. And look at the red clip over there. Oh, rock. finally made it to Marree, where we will be spending our night here. I think it's like about 2 o'clock or past 2 o'clock now. Justin is filling up the petrol, and we will be staying behind a hotel. Justin just told me that the petrol here is $2.50 for 91. Wow, what a price. Except it's not alcohol.
Oh yes, not true.
Justin bought a bag of potato in Lake Creek. We did not know that we might not able to bring it to NT with us, Northern Territory. So I tried to cook half of it to make mashed potato, and then we're gonna use the other half. I will try to make chips the next day or the day after, before we entering Northern Territory. Is it at the Outback or in the Outback? In the Outback. Cooking in the Outback. The Outback is amazing. And look at the sunset at the back. The blue hour.